Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool video title page on CapCut. So I'm just going to select a video here. I don't know what video I should do. What should I pick, guys? Okay, let's just do this kite one. I'll just go to background first, and I'll add like a white background, and I'm just going to adjust this till the end. Go to mask, select horizontal, and I'm going to, I guess I'll just do it this way. I'll rotate it this way and put the text there. And I'm just going to type in kite. I don't know what else to type, that's why. I'll just change the font and the color as well. Maybe adjust the line sizing here a little, just until the end. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Well, actually, let me just copy and paste this first. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Go to video, go to basic, and select the screen. Am I even clicking on the right one? Hold on. Oh, right, because this still exists on top, sorry. And select the screen one, and as you can see, it got removed. If it's a black background, select darken. Then select the kite text again, and I'm just going to do it like this, and I'm also going to scroll down, and I'm going to adjust the stroke a little bit. Then I'm going to right click on that, create compound clip, go to video, and then I'll select darken on that one. Wait, no, select brighten on that one. 2. And you'll have this really cool text effect kind of on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!